Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get exchange rewards Grimaldo in FC Mobile 24. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game. Still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap this exchange button and jump into the TOTY exchange. This one, Grimaldo. 90 OVR left back from Bayer Leverkusen. You can tap for the details. With 90 OVR, he got 95 pace and also 93 dribbling. And this is the trait. Playmaker, early crosser. He is attacking left back, or he can play in left midfielder. So if you wanna get this player, you have to fulfill this condition. 75 OVR player, 10 player, 1, 2, 3, 4 until 10, and also 81 plus OVR player, and then 81 plus OVR Bundesliga player, play from a Bundesliga in German club, and also Spanish player here, 3 Spanish player. If you don't have, you can buy in the market, buy the cheapest one. So we get the player from the market and 187 OVR player. So I wanna go with this one. I don't know this guy, Asimeru. Tap confirm, and you can exchange with 40,000 coin. You can tap this exchange, unlock, and exchange successful. We got Alex Grimaldo. Please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the next button below. Enjoy the game.